One of the most common mistakes that I see ladies making is doing nothing when it comes to their money. They're unsure what to do with their funds, so they leave it in their checking or savings account, earning essentially almost 0%, maybe if they're lucky, 1%. And if inflation is 3, 4, 5, 6%, you are upside down. You're actually losing money to inflation. So to leave it sitting in a checking account because you're just not sure what to do is a very expensive mistake. If nothing else, I encourage you to explore money market accounts. As of this recording, money market accounts are in the mid-4s, so at least you're earning something. But I also encourage you to speak to a financial expert and get some guidance as to what to do with those funds, because it's costing you money by leaving it in your checking account and doing nothing. It's that old paralysis by analysis situation. So any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to answer any questions, and feel free to visit my website, www.pattihandy.com, Pattihandy, and we'll talk soon. Bye.